To set up Zelle with Ally Bank, start by logging into your Ally mobile app or online banking account. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you log in, navigate to the Transfers tab and select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not enrolled in Zelle before, you will be prompted to review and accept the terms of service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to agree. Next, you will be asked to verify your email address or mobile phone number. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the account. Enter your email address or mobile phone number and wait for a verification code to be sent to you. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app or online banking platform to complete the verification process. After verifying your information, you will be asked to add your debit card to Zelle. This is the card that will be used to send and receive money. Select your Ally Bank debit card from the list of available cards and confirm the details. Once your card is added, you can start using Zelle to send money to friends and family. To send money, simply select the Send Money with Zelle option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment. Keep in mind that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, so make sure you have sufficient funds in your account before sending money. To receive money with Zelle, the sender must have your email address or mobile phone number enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited into your account automatically. It is essential to keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Ally Bank also offers additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily set up Zelle with Ally Bank and start sending and receiving money quickly and securely. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and keep your account information up to date to ensure a smooth and secure experience.